Ready to use your Maryland College Investment Plan account? Congratulations! You should be proud of your savings and for planning ahead so you're prepared for tuition and other higher education expenses. For some of you, your child just graduated from high school and they're ready to start the next chapter of their life. Or maybe you just want a quick refresher on how to use your account for the distribution process. Whether your child has chosen to attend a university or a trade school, locally or out of state, or is using their funds for another qualified education expense, the time has come for you to take a distribution from your Maryland College Investment Plan account. First, choose how you want the funds to be distributed. Your online account and the ReadySave 529 mobile app offer a convenient and efficient way to send your savings directly to over 800 participating educational institutions electronically. This is the fastest option to get funds to a school. Your distribution can also be transferred electronically from either platform to you or your beneficiary's bank account by automated clearinghouse. If you prefer, your online account offers the flexibility to mail your funds via check directly to schools, to yourself, or to your beneficiary. Second, decide how you'll be requesting your distribution. Taking one from your online account or the Ready 529 mobile app is easy. From your computer, you can log in to your online account on the Maryland 529 website. When you're in your account dashboard, click the View Details button for the account you're looking to distribute funds from. On the next page, click the Make a Distribution option from the menu on the left side of the screen. After selecting whether the distribution will be used for qualified education expenses or non-qualified expenses, follow the steps on screen to finalize and submit your distribution request. If you'd prefer to take a distribution from your phone, the ReadySave 529 mobile app makes that process simple. Select the account you want to distribute funds from, click Distribute to begin, then follow the subsequent steps to choose how you want the funds distributed and finalize the request. You can also complete the distribution request form that can be found in the Help Center section of the Maryland 529 website and mail it back to us. With your Maryland College Investment Plan account, you can request a distribution at any time. We do our best to send your distribution as quickly as possible. Remember, your account can be used at virtually any U.S. college, technical or trade school, apprenticeships, and even international universities that have a federal school code for qualified education expenses, which may include tuition, fees, room and board, books, course-specific fees, and supplies. You can also use it for expenses at K-12 public, private, and religious schools limited to $20,000 per year per beneficiary. The beneficiary's student loan payments up to a $10,000 lifetime maximum, and tuition expenses, fees, books, and other supplies for recognized post-secondary credential programs. Distributions from your account are either qualified or non-qualified as determined by the IRS. Visit the 529 Basics webpage of our website to learn more about the exact expenses that are considered qualified. When money is withdrawn from your account to pay for qualified expenses, any investment gains are distributed in Maryland and federally tax-free, provided you do not also claim all or part of these qualified education expenses as an American Opportunity or Lifetime Learning Credit. Even if your beneficiary decides higher education isn't part of their path, you can keep your account to use at a later date, or name a new beneficiary that is related to the current beneficiary. Additionally, you may roll over unused funds to a Roth IRA maintained for the same account beneficiary. The 529 plan account must have been maintained for at least 15 years, and only contributions and accompanying earnings made more than 5 years prior can be rolled over. The amount eligible for rollover each year cannot exceed the IRA contribution limit, and there is an aggregate limit of $35,000 over a beneficiary's lifetime. You can proceed with this option by downloading the Rollover to Roth IRA form from the Help Center section of the Maryland 529 website and mailing the completed form to us. If you do decide to take a non-qualified distribution of all or part of your account assets, keep in mind that the federal and/or state taxes and penalties may apply. Talk to your tax professional for details. And remember, we'll send you or your beneficiary a 1099-Q showing your distributions for tax purposes, but it's your responsibility to retain all records of expenses. This form is issued and mailed the following January after a distribution is taken to the beneficiary unless the distribution was made payable to the account owner. In that case, the form is issued to the account owner instead. However, the account owner payee can also access the form after it is issued by logging into their online account and clicking Profile and Documents from their dashboard. For more information on account owner distributions, visit the Distributions webpage on the Maryland 529 website.